Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am BC and I am a prep class tutor. It's always good to be here as your tutor. In this video, I'll be solving questions 66 to 70 of the AKWA Pre-Vocational Studies Agricultural Science for the year 2015. Please subscribe to this channel. You know this is where you can get more videos like this that will help you in preparation for your examinations. Okay, so let's begin. The first question in this video is question 66 and it says ginning is a method of processing dash A. Cocoa, B. Cotton, C. Oil palm, D. Rubber. So first of all, what is ginning? Ginning is the process of removing the seeds and debris from cotton. So already we know the answer. So this means that ginning is a method of processing cotton because it's the process of removing seeds and debris from cotton. Okay, so the correct option here is option B, cotton. Ginning is a method of processing cotton. Okay, question 67. Ginger is propagated from dash A. Suckers, B. Rhizomes, C. Seeds, D. Tubers. Okay, so first of all, what is propagation? Propagation is the process of creating new plants from the vegetative plant parts such as leaf, stem, and roots of the parent plant. Okay, so in ginger, the vegetative propagation occurs through the underground stem called rhizome. What is a rhizome? A rhizome is an underground horizontal stem with stored foods and buds. Manufactured foods are transported down to enable the growth of the rhizome. The lower portion of the rhizome develops roots and helps in the conduction of water and minerals. Okay, so this is where foods are stored. So that is why rhizome is used to propagate ginger. Okay, so ginger is propagated from the underground stem called rhizome. So the correct option here is option B, rhizomes. Ginger is propagated from rhizomes. Okay, so question 68 now says gestation period is defined as the time dash A. Of fusion of the sperm and the egg, B. Between conception and parturition, C. Of release of ovum from the ovary, D. Of the birth of the young animal. Okay, so which of these options is correct? So we need to know the meaning of gestation period to answer this question. What is gestation period? Gestation period is the time between conception and parturition, that is birth, during which the embryo or the fetus is developing in mammals. So gestation period is also known as the pregnancy period. Okay, so gestation period is defined as the time between conception and parturition. So the correct option here is option B, between conception and parturition. Okay, so question 69 says the adult male cattle is called dash A. Bull, B. Ram, C. Bull, D. Buck. So which of this is correct? For us to find the correct answer, we need to know the meaning of each of these options. So the first option is bull. What is a bull? A bull is an adult male cattle. So that means that's the answer, right? But let's still find out the other. Let's still find out the meaning of the other options. Ram is a male sheep. Bull is a male pig. Then buck is an adult male deer, antelope, reindeer, or rabbit. Okay, so here that means the answer is option A, bull. The adult male cattle is called a bull. So the correct option is option A. Okay, then the last question in this video, question 70, says an advantage of extensive system of rearing goats is dash A. Low labor requirement, B. Easy control of disease, C. Indiscriminate mating, D. Exposure of adverse weather condition. So which of these options is correct? But before we answer this question, let's find out the meaning of extensive system. Extensive system is the system in which animals are left to search for food for themselves. Okay, this is the oldest and traditional method of rearing animals practiced generally in Nigeria. Okay, so this is a system where animals are left to fend for themselves. An advantage of extensive system of rearing goats is low labor requirement, but the other options are not advantages of extensive system of rearing goats. Okay, so easy control of disease. When animals are left to find food for themselves, there will be no easy control of disease. So there is no easy control of disease in extensive system. This is because animals could be exposed to diseases because they are left to search for food for themselves. Okay, indiscriminate mating is also not an advantage of extensive system of rearing goats. Indiscriminate mating means same-sex mating. Okay, so this is not an advantage of extensive system. Exposure to adverse weather conditions. Because these animals are left to search for food for themselves, they could be exposed to adverse weather conditions. Okay, so this is not an advantage of extensive system of rearing goats. Okay, so that means the correct option here is option A, low labor requirement. An advantage of extensive system of rearing goats is low labor requirement. So the correct option here is option A, low labor requirement. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a whole lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel to get access to more videos like this that would help you in preparation for your examinations. Till I come your way next time. Bye.